Here I am with Darren Morris. Darren, who's been up all hours this morning. He's been our social media reporter. Darren's from the Urdd. And a big thank you for all the efforts today. He's been uploading all the videos. So those of you watching this video, thanks to Darren, you've seen most of the Welsh uploads. And of course, the other person is David Wilcox. So just a quick question to start with, really. What were your impressions, having to do all the social media reporting and uploading and so on today?
I enjoyed it. It was good to be able to go and talk to young people, do interviews with young people, so they then we could get their points across via, obviously, the camera, and we can stick them up on YouTube, which can then go onto the website.
Amazing, yeah. Any particular highlights for you from the day's programmes?
I think the Scopacelli drama was really good, but I think the young people's panel as well was a highlight. I think it was an eye-opener for most people here as well, that maybe don't sit down and listen to young people's opinions on the latest technologies.
Yeah, and I mean, and their use, and what struck me was how balanced and proportionate they were, and they were saying, really, there's nothing to worry about. We need support, but we don't need everything blocked. We don't need everything locked down. You need to trust us, And
but I think they also understand is, I think the phrase that's been used before is "mamby-pamby Britain," that we wrap our children up in cotton wool. I mean, I've got two little girls myself, but I think young people, children, they want to be able to go out. If they fall over, they fall over.
Yeah.
If they come across something on the internet they shouldn't have they'll come across it. Yeah. But at least they'll learn by the mistakes that they've made.
That's
and
right.
I think the way we're going at the moment is we're not allowing them to make them mistakes.
I think this is the exact point Tanya Byron makes. She says we need to develop resiliency. So because you never remove yourself from risk. And it's a part of life and growing up, that they need to encounter risk and actually learn how to handle it. And I hope that part of the discussion today, especially the youth panel session, will feed that back.
Yeah.
Wonderful stuff. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you.